Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening sa inyo lahat. Coach Carlil. Ngayon, ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung naging tulong ng CSB sa aking ginawang case study sa pag-take ng challenge no, sa prop firm. Meron po akong ginawang account sa prop firm na kung saan ginawa ko siyang case study kung saan sinubukan kong ilapat or gamitin yung CSB signals or binibigay niyang mga data na i-trade sa market, and surprisingly naipasa ko yung phase 1 and phase 2, and yung phase 3 po is ongoing na, and malapit na din po natin itong maipasa. Sobrang napaka-excited po na mai-share ko din po sa inyo yung ating CSB para matulungan po kayo in your decision making on how to hold the position for a couple of days, a couple of weeks, or even a month. Sa tulong po ng CSB, nakakapag-decide po ako if I will enter in that currency pairs or I will exit, no. So nagbibigay po kasi ito ng signal kung saan tayo magkakaroon ng strong buy and strong sell, and makita din natin kung long term or mid term or short term lang natin i-hold yung position na yun. At the same time, hindi tayo sobrang kinakabahan because we compute the proper risk management dun sa account natin and ma-apply natin dun sa ating account sa proper. So, panoorin yung video na to at dito ko po ipapakita sa inyo paano nyo po ninyo ma-access yung ating CSB at paano po ninyo mali-leverage yun. Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening sa inyo lahat. Coach Carl here. Ngayon, ituturo ko po sa inyo paano po ninyo gagamitin ang ating CSP or ang ating Currency Strength Validator. So, ang Currency Strength Validator natin is sobrang napaka-powerful ito to identify the trend ng market at ano ba yung pwede nating currency pairs na pwedeng trade during the time na nagkakaroon tayo ng momentum in market. So, ito, binibigyan tayo ng indicators that this pair is good to trade for buy, for short term or long term, or this pair is good to sell. And makita din natin yung strength or impulsive move ng market if malaki ba or maganda yung momentum. So, punta lang kayo dito sa ating websites, carlfajardo.com. Okay? And then, dito sa part na to, punta lang po kayo dito sa ating current strength validator. So, gusto nyo po itong i-try, pwede nyo po itong i-try sa demo. We have 1 week to 1 month free na pwede nyo po itong i-try para matouch po ninyo if accurate po yung ating CSP. So, sa part sa baba, ito yung interface ng ating CSB. Okay? If you want to try this tool, you just need to access here. Okay? You will be directed dun sa ating CSB. And if hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe, so you need to try it, no? Try it the demo. So we have this price, current price natin is 199. So you can simply subscribe and then select yung ating 1 week demo. So zero charge po siya. And we have different options then once nagustuhan po ninyo, no, yung ating CSP. So once pag-fill out na po kayo dyan, you just need to put your email, number, and your name. Tapos, check out nyo lang po. And then, automatically, you are able to access it right away. Okay. So, just wait to confirm yung ating order. So, once na-complete po yan, mayroon pong mag-email po sa inyo that telling you na you are allowed to access the site, and the same time you can try it, no, for 1 week. No, if nagustuhan po ninyo, we have another additional extension for 1 month na pwede nyo po itong gamitin. Just need to follow yung instruction na ibibigay po sa inyo sa email. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so after that, you can also access our Discord channel. You can join our community, so you can simply press and submit, no, yung ating order. So, kailangan nyo lang ma-notice para ma-redirect po kayo dun sa ating Discord channel. And kung sakaling nag-purchase na po kayo, you just need to fill out this. Okay, so after that, kung meron po kayong na-email na na-receive, then if you are able to access here, pwede nyo lang po itong i-access, no? But you just need to log in, no? Kailangan nyo pong mag-log in dun sa site. Okay? So, you just need to log in or sign in here. Kung hindi po ninyo makita 'to, kailangan niyo pong mag-sign in 'no. So, upon sign in naman, meron pong ibibigay po sa inyong account or you can create your account as well using the email na pinag-purchase po ninyo dun sa ating site. So, paano ba gamitin yung ating CSB? So, sa part dito sa baba, meron po tayo dito makikita na latest 'no. Ito yung menu, tapos ito yung latest CSB. Ibig sabihin nito, ito yung data na binibigay on a current session, no? So, we have three updates ng sessions natin. We have um, Asia. This is supposed to be Asia. Then, next natin ay meron tayong London. We have also New York, no? So, we have different three updates because during that time, nagkakaroon tayo ng changes dun sa momentum ng prices. So, yung Asia, this might hindi na available during this period ng New York or London. So, kaya kailangan natin siyang i-check from time to time para aware tayo if we have the position sample in and USD JPY. So, if valid pa rin, we can still hold the position. Okay, so for this moment, check natin yung Asia. So, this is the Asia. So, supposed to be this is the Asia pero di siya nag-change na. Okay, dito sa price na to, for this example, we just need to do is sample, no? So let's backtest this one. For this example is I've been trading this. So this part na to is USD JPY, USD CHF, and also we have buy for those pairs and AUD USD is selling for long term and CD USD GBP and those are major currency pairs no and cross pairs no. So sa part na to sa side na to. But here sa side naman na to, this we have here the minor and cross pairs no dito naman. So makita natin yan automatically mare-release dito or lalabas yung mga currency pairs na available to trade no. Pag hindi natin nakita yung pairs na to trade, so meaning to say that pair is not available during this period. So makita ninyo nagkakaroon siya ng mga changes. Ayan. So, you can also backtest dun sa mga previous trades ninyo. For this example, this is the difference between kanina, wala tayong October 17 Asia, wala tayong other currency, but CAD JPY lang sa minors, but we have available sa mga majors. So, I give you an example dun sa mga trades natin na ginagamit ko din ito dun sa ating prop firm account that currently nasa phase 3 na siya. And yun yung ginamit ko as a uh, studies para may apply if these currency tools are available or useful for our trades and also dun sa ating prop firm accounts. So, right here, so I will show you yung current orders ng ating trade that telling us that so currently nasa phase 3 ng ating account or nasa phase 3 na po itong account na to. Okay, we passed the phase 1, phase 2 and currently we are ongoing na yung ating phase 3 sa bootcamp ng 5% online. So this is a challenge na inavail natin last time that currently no nasa phase 3 na siya. And currently ongoing na siya and running on profit na tayo dun sa ating mga position na binigay ng ating CSB. So these orders are made October 15, October 11, October 17. So these are orders no recent lang no. Kung titingnan natin yung mga data na yon, saan natin 'tong mga nakuha? Okay, sabi dito USD JPY October 11. So kung iba-backtest natin siya, kung nagbigay ba talaga ng order ng buy. So these are available during the time ng October 11. So makita natin 'yan. So this is a New York time. And kung titingnan din natin sa Asia, strong buy pa rin si USD JPY and strong buy pa rin siya dito. So as of now, sa the latest current data, still valid pa rin yung ating buy position. Kaya we're still holding the position, right? So after this, all the data here, okay, so sa part na to, Okay, sa part na yan are those data na nagpapakita ng significance that this is order is continuously valid. So, sa part na to, I'll show you the recent activities din ng ating prop firm account na to, which is ito yung ginawa kong case study on how we can leverage yung ating CSB if this tool is helpful to our decision making, no? So, ipapakita ko po dito sa inyo. So, this is an ayan, bootcamp ito. I ordered this one. So, I started to 5,000 and habang ginagawa ko or yung mga activities na 'to or napapas ko, so aabot po siya ng $20,000 yung pinaka-fund nito and currently, ongoing pa yung phase 3. This is the phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. So currently, ongoing pa rin tayo 'no. So, itong tools na 'to, this will boost your confidence and create you, the best process para makapag-decide ka on how you can hold those positions and currently, ma-identify mo yung mga current data if valid pa rin ba yung position niyo or you can exit the position. And sa tulong ng ating CSB, we made those decision and reflected na dito sa ating, account 'no. So ito siya. So this account is this one, so 164 and then, 164 ito siya. Okay, so started this last anong date 'to? Wala siyang date dito 'no. So currently ito yung data niya and the statistic that, this account are ongoing 'no. So yan yung pinaka-proof natin. So that is the case study na ginamit natin and ginawa natin dito sa ating, prop firm account. So currently, we have these positions available to trade and the same time, we are able to manage those, setups using our CSB and para po ma-access po ninyo from time to time, so you can also access here using your phone. Okay, example, napunta po kayo dito and dito. Okay. Right. Press nyo lamang po ito sa taas 'no, para, maging active po yung inyong access dito. And we have also here the economic calendar na available na din 'no, dun sa ating, trading journal. So, dito makita din natin yung mga upcoming and recent na data ng economic calendar during the day 'no, isang araw lamang po ito. Pero yung buong araw na, dun sa mga most tradable currencies natin are, niya na mga data. So, dito sa part na 'to, I have also, in times na 'pag meron akong available time, I give samples dun sa ating mga opportunity 'no, dito sa ating trades 'no. But this is a goal 'no, we have, different tools here to identify those momentums. So, nagbabato lang ako dito ng signals para makita niyo din. And meron tayo dito mga samples. So, this one, gold pa rin ito. So, medyo busy kasi ako recently kaya di ako nakapagbato masyado 'no. But I am looking forward para makapag-release ng mga new signals. Ano ba 'to? When was the last time that I tried to show some signals? Okay, dito sa part na 'to. This is another gold and i-press nyo lang 'to guys, para mag-move backwards. Medyo matagal na pala 'no? Okay, so this is a GBP USD. So this was, October 4 pa po ito. So nakita naman natin that the currency pair is available to sell. So kung tingnan natin yung data, so these signals, tignan natin siya. So, yeah, I have here yung ating trading view. So, dito ako nagpa-plot. So, I don't know kung na-delete ko na siya or what. So, meron tayo dito. So, ito yon October 4. So, sabi doon ay down. We're going down. So, currently, no, nasa downfall pa siya. And, kung titignan natin yung H4, ayan yung mga data niya. So, nagbigay siya ng signal way back August 4, no? So, 3 p.m. siya. Sell daw siya. Then, pumasok tayo dyan. Then, bumaba na siya. No? Currently, if nakapasok tayo sa area na to, so, currently, nakaabot na siya ng above 159 pips, no? Yung ating order doon. Okay, so then that is as